There are so many options available in the market. The process of finding the best toaster oven under $100 can be tedious and overwhelming. To make your life easier, we tested out several top models to see which ones stood out from the rest of the pack. The black DECKER CTO6335S Countertop Convection Toaster Oven represents great value for money, and is a great addition to your kitchen. It circulates hot air around your food for fast and even results, and the extra deep curved interior fits 12 pizzas and so much more. Customers seem to really enjoy this toaster oven with its high and low oven rack positions, providing the versatility to have great results on all foods. Features one-touch functions for a whole range of foods from bagel, pizza, frozen snacks, potatoes, and cookies. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best on the market. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.